Okay, students, good morning. Now we are continuing our exercise 2.4, question number 6. Now, what the question is? See here, there is a narrow rectangular plot. Okay, so there is a plot whose shape is rectangle, reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and breadth of plots are in ratio of 11:4. Okay, so there is a ratio of length and breadth here, 11:4, and the rate of rupees 100 per meter. It will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. It means, suppose there is a rectangular plot, there is length and breadth. Okay, now ratio of length and breadth is 11:4, it is given. So we can say L is, we can take it as 11x and breadth as 4x. Now to fence this, okay, we will fence it here. Now this is the perimeter. Okay, so cost will be directly affected by this perimeter. How much length it will cover, it will depend on that. So we are going to first find the perimeter of this rectangular plot. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. Okay, now L plus B is here. Okay, so 11 plus 4 is 15x and 15 2s are 30x. Clear? Now here we know that this perimeter is 30x and the cost of fencing is 100 rupees per meter. Okay, now we have here perimeter of 30x meter. Okay, this is in meter, so that is the perimeter. Okay, if I multiply it with the rate at which rate they are fencing it, okay, we will find the total cost. Okay, total cost is what? Total length multiplied by its rate. Okay, now 100 into 30. Okay, 100 into 30 becomes 3000. If I take this 3000 in denominator here, okay, 3 zeros get cut and 75 divided by 2 is 25. So we can say that length is here 11x. Instead of x, put 25, so we will have 275, and breadth is 4x. Put 25, 25 4 is 100 meter. That is how we can find the length and breadth of that rectangular plot. Now next question. Here, now see, it's an important question for us. See what the question is. Okay, Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth materials for school uniform. Okay, Hassan is buying cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him 50 rupees per meter and trouser material is 90 rupees per meter. Okay, so we can write it here. Okay, we have written this details here. Cost of shirt material is 50 rupees per meter and cost of trouser material is 90 rupees per meter. Okay, now the second condition here is, see, rupees per meter. Here is the second. For every 2 meter of trouser material he buys 3 meter of shirt material. So if I it is indirectly it is a ratio which is given, that for 2 meter of trouser 3 meter of shirt. So we can say it like this. Okay, for 2 meter of trouser he will buy 3 meter shirts. So ratio of trouser to shirt is 2:3. Okay, so we can say that he will buy, if he will buy 2x meter of trouser, then he will buy 3x meter of shirt. Okay, that much meter of trouser and shirt that he will buy. Now what the main question here is, he sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively, and his total sale is 36660, but here is a correction here, that the total sale is not 36660, it is 36600. Okay, instead of this 6, okay, instead of this second last 6, okay, you have to take 0. Okay, there is a correction here. How much trouser material did he buy? So we need to find how much trouser material did he buy. Now it is given that 10% and 12% are the profits respectively. So 10% profit is on trouser material, on this trouser material, and 12% on this short material. It is the profit. Now we all know what is selling price. Selling price equals to cost price plus profit. Okay, it depends on how much a particular thing cost us and how much we want to have profit on that. Okay, so we are starting with the trouser, that selling price of trouser material per meter here, or we are not per meter, here we are talking about the total selling price. See, selling price of trouser material will be cost price plus profit. Okay, now what is the cost price? See, cost price for trouser is here 90 rupees per meter. For 1 meter it cost 90 rupees. So here how much meter is here? For trouser material it will have 2x, okay, meter. So for 1 meter it will have 90. So for 2x meter we will multiply it with 90. So 2x multiplied by 90 is what? 180. 90 into 2 becomes 180. Okay, plus here we are talking about profit. Now how to find profit? Profit is based on the cost price. Now what is the cost price? Cost price is 180x. And what are the percentage profit of trouser material? See, percentage profits are here. Ye trouser material percent profit is 10%. We need to find the 10% of this cost profit. So to find 10%, we will multiply it by 10 and divide it by 100. That is how we can find the profit. Now if I clear this, if I cancel this 0 0, and if I take common 180x from both of two, if I take 180x common, here all the things are get common here. Okay, so nothing got remain, so 1 will be there. Plus here 180x get common, nothing at top, so there will be 1, and here we have 10. Okay, now if I take the LCM of 10, to simplify it, take the LCM of 10. 10 ones are 10, plus 1, divide by 10. Now we can again cut this 0. So here 18x will remain, and here 10 plus 1 is 11. Now if you multiply it, the answer is 198x. Okay, now selling price of short material. The formula is same, cost price plus profit. Now what is the cost price? See, here is the short material. How much meter? 3x meter. And see, cost of 1 meter is 50 rupees. So if I multiply this by this, okay, 50 into 3 is 150. That is why cost becomes 150x. And its profit that we want to have is 12%. So 12% of this 150, 12% of 150x is 12 divided by 100. Okay, so if I take this 150x common, okay, again there will be 1 here, and here remaining part is 12 by 100. Now if I take the LCM of 100, if I take the LCM of 100, 100 will multiply here, plus 12 is as it is. Now we can cancel this 0 0. Okay, now 100 plus 12 is 112. If I cancel also this 10 and 15 by 5, so here we will get 5 3s are 15, so 3x remains. Here we can get 5 2s are 10. Okay, we can again cut this 112 by 2. Okay, remaining part will be 56. So 56 into 3 is 160x. Now what did he say? He said that selling price, if I take this total of both selling price, okay, then the total sale is what? 36600. That is the correction here. Okay, instead of 6 we have put 0. Okay, so total selling price is 36600. So we have taken the total of the selling price of trouser and shirt material. Now the total of 198 plus 168 is 366x. If I take this 366 into divide, 366 we can cut here by 100. See, this is same. Okay, the remaining part will be 2 zeros here. So okay, so x becomes 100. Now we need to find how much trouser material that he will buy. Okay, so it is 2x. If I put the value x here, okay, 2 into 100 becomes 200 meter. That is how we can find the solution. Okay, now next question is 8th question. See what the question is here. Okay, half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Remaining, okay, you should note this word. The rest 8 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Okay, so we need to find how much number of deers are there in the herd. We don't know that, so we are going to suppose it. Okay, so here we have supposed that if total deers are x. Now it is clear from the question that half are grazing, so half means x by 2. Okay, and what will be the remaining? The remaining part will be the other half, that is again x by 2. Okay, now what the question says, that 3/4 of the remaining, 3/4 of this remaining is x by 2, not x. Okay, you should keep this mind, keep this in your mind. Okay, that 3/4 of this remaining, what they are doing, they are playing nearby. Okay, so these are the deers, number of deers which are playing nearby. Now 3 into x is 3x and 4 2s are 8. They are playing. Okay, so and 9 are drinking water. Okay, 9 are drinking water, and that 9s are belongs to this. Okay, now we can say here that the 9 which are drinking water are the rest part of the deer of this x by 2. So how we can find this? We just simply subtract these deers which are playing from this remaining. Okay, so 9 will be the rest of the deers from x by 2. Okay, now if I take the LCM of 8, okay, here we can multiply it by 4, so it becomes 4x. Here 3x is as it is. Now if I take this 8 here, 9 8 is 72 and 4x minus 3x is x. So we know, so we have the value x equal to 72. That is how we can find the value of total deers which were there. Okay, so if you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We will start this exercise 2.5 in next video.